Hey, what's up, internet computer? It's a very a massive update for all and very huge jump now, my brother. Internet computer is wake up. So while you are sleeping, just and only you need to wake up and take a very good profit now, my brother. So exactly in this video, I will special good news for all internet computer ICP holder. One thing I want to tell you in this time to why everybody know this to why in last 24 hours plus 7.64% they will profit. If they will hit, my brother, they will just only 10% profit. So I hope, my brother, at the end of month, my brother, they will give you $40. Oh my goodness, very huge profit now, my brother, is coming soon. So definitely this time the price is very cheap now. So if you have any plan to invest more, so I think, my brother, absolutely this is very good time for investment, especially for short time investor who invest for a short time. Go now, invest now. I hope they will give you a profit, please, my brother. Alright, if you get this coin, so we better understand to upcoming time there is a chance so they will wake up. Last 24 hours, you can see, my brother, the chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a 70% chances so they will wake up. Definitely, my friend, because for a short time they will take a very good profit now, and I'm so happy to see this. Definitely this is very huge jump now. Oh my goodness, the arrows is moving upward in the last time, so that's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time there is also chances so they will wake up and they will moving upward. So why you are doing this mistake? Please don't do any mistakes starting selling. Don't starting selling. Please don't do this mistake. Oh, just and only you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brother, ICP will make you a millionaire now and give you a very good profit at the end of month. So what's your opinion? Please tell me in a comment box, and please, my brother, like this video and also subscribe this channel. Please, the giveaway is also coming soon, so participate now. Please like just and only and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.